Our team works really hard to go that extra distance and give everyone an experience they'll want to share. We're so thankful for this great review that makes all of our efforts worthwhile.
Oscar and Hugo did an amazing job. I had other companies look at my garage and was told that it is not possible to install a roll-up garage door due to my low ceiling height. C and W Garage Doors figured out a way to make it work, and I am pleased with the quality of the installation.
But please don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialties. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us today and let us give you the same amazing service.